The Rainforest Ecolodge, situated right inside the Singharaja rainforest. Singharaja, the largest lowland Gondwana rainforest in southern Asia, is the richest store of biodiversity in Sri Lanka, making it a unique site for scientists, naturalists and eco-tourists. The Singharaja Forest Reserve represents Sri Lanka's only rainforest and is a living example of a pristine ecosystem. The forest's high biodiversity includes flora endemic to the country as well as some endemic to the forest itself. The Ensalvatta estate, which is managed by the Mathurata Plantations Limited, has a perennial wet climate and is approximately 900 to 1000 meters above the sea level. Rainforest Ecolodge is situated in the Singharaja division of the Ensalvatta estate in Thaniyaya. This plot of previously cultivated tea land borders the southwestern fringe of the Singharaja Forest Reserve. At home within 16 comfortable chalets that are designed with recycled material and adorned with every amenity imaginable. The chalets are situated among the tea patch and offers guests a breathtaking view of the forest canopy and tea estate that provide for lasting memories. Experience the vibrant shades of nature all at once.
The story behind Rainforest Ecolodge is a unique one in that around year 2000, the proposal came from the government to see how we can improve the competitiveness of certain specific industries in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is not doing justice to the profile, the rich profile of diversity they have. We were known much for our beach tourism only. One of the main things that we undertook was to do a pilot project in eco-tourism. ecotourism concept is it should be small. Footprint should be small. You should not harm the environment too much by visitor volumes. Unique thing was, probably for the first time in the world, we did the rooms out of old shipping containers. We turned out two 40-foot containers in Colombo. We were not allowed to do work there because of sound pollution. And so we cut and got it into some shape, and probably for the first time in the world a thing like this was done.
The interior is ideally decorated with bamboo paneling, while the floor and the private deck done with rejected railway sleepers.
Very amazing, and you feel so free. You are so close to the nature, and so it's very different to Germany. And I really love this place. Sri Lanka is a very different country.
Mein Name ist Hava und ich finde es hier wunderschön, die grüne Anlage und also ja, wir bleiben sowieso ein paar Tage hier und es ist so wunderschön. Gewandert sind wir hier und das Wetter ist, also ich würde sagen, durchwachsen. Mal regnet es, mal scheint die Sonne. Die Temperatur geht im Moment auch. Eben, ja, ist sehr gut, würde ich sagen.
The client base that we get, we don't sell cheap, and we don't encourage people to come and behave like they do in beach hotels, like singing and partying, and that is not permitted because it upsets the eco-habitat of the place, and the very reason why they come to see the forests, the huge array of species that you get there, whether it is flora, fauna, insects, butterflies, birds. Birds are well known. 90% of the birds endemic to Sri Lanka can be seen here, like the blue magpie.
Leeches are a common phenomenon in the moist forest and adjacent habitats. Though their bites sometimes may develop a local rash or itchy feeling, they are not poisonous. You may avoid any unpleasant encounter with them by being properly prepared and dressed.
Now, trail is the most important thing. That is, you go and interpret through the forest in trails already there in Singaraja. It's all there. And you take these guys and show them nature. And we have a plan to do the first ever canopy walk in Sri Lanka. Canopy walk means you walk at the level of the canopy. We have already done the initial drawings. Hopefully, we should be done in about a year's time. Malaysian company has been resourced to do this because that will be the icing to the pudding. Community. They were in this terrible housing. We gave them new housing. 35 chalets were built for them even before we built the hotel. Don't center around only a thing called profit. It is also about planet and people. People means community. Planet means environment.